guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we will be making a banana bread that is to die for. I'm going to add in a little bit of blueberries because I love that combination. It is just perfect and tangy and with blueberries in season this time of year, you can't pay me enough not to do it. So without further ado, let's get started.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,